Hey guys, in the last video I have introduced you to one of the best sales and marketing platform where you can do email marketing, social media marketing, sales funnel, website builder, forms, surveys, track ad performance, reputation management, almost everything a digital marketing agency does on a daily basis. So today I'm gonna show you how to integrate or host your existing WordPress website with 𝐷𝐿evel. Guys, 𝐷𝐿evel is kind enough to sponsor this video. So apart from sales and marketing activity, you can actually go out there and host and manage your WordPress websites with 𝐷𝐿evel. Also, as mentioned in my previous video, 𝐷𝐿evel is giving you a 14-day free trial. I want you guys to take benefit of this great offer. Just click the link in the description box below and sign up for a 14-day free trial to experience it for yourself. Hello guys, welcome to Digital Anke YouTube channel. I'm 𝐷𝐿evel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually host and manage your WordPress website with 𝐷𝐿evel. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing to my channel and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my video updates. Alright, if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, in my previous video on 𝐷𝐿evel, I have shown you all the features and options that you can do on 𝐷𝐿evel. So today, I'm gonna go with a specific feature of 𝐷𝐿evel, that is WordPress hosting. That means you can host and manage your WordPress website within the 𝐷𝐿evel platform along with your sales and marketing activity all under one platform. Sounds crazy, isn't it? Let's check it out. So I'm currently in my agency dashboard account, and to access the WordPress hosting feature as a client, I'm going to switch to my sub accounts real quick. Okay, in order to get this feature available for your client, you gotta enable this feature first. Let me show you how that works. Navigate onto sub accounts and click on manage client here and scroll all the way down. As you can see, you need to enable WordPress by paying $10 or any other number you wish to, but you got to pay $10 to 𝐷𝐿evel and purchase WordPress. And you should enable this feature for your client so that they can go and purchase WordPress by paying whatever the amount you have given here. So once you have done that, you need to switch to your sub account. I'm going to go ahead and switch to my demo account. Now to access the WordPress hosting feature, just navigate to the sites here. From here you can access WordPress. Alright, here it says WordPress hosting powered by Google Cloud. Move your WordPress site into the fast lane and leave your competitors in the dust with 𝐷𝐿evel's new cloud hosting service. 𝐷𝐿evel's hosting is powered by the Google Cloud platform, which provides cutting-edge infrastructure, unmatched performance, and a blazing speed. So to proceed, you need to click on Get Started here and purchase WordPress. So once you have purchased the WordPress hosting, you'll be able to see this instant access. You can access your WordPress URL or link, or you can go to WordPress admin login to do the customization of your website. Then we have domains and subdomains. So after adding your domain, you have to change your DNS settings to point your live traffic to 𝐷𝐿evel's blazing fast servers. CNAME must point to for all domains. For root domains, please add an A record pointing to IP. If you are using Cloudflare, turn off the proxy to connect your domain to 𝐷𝐿evel. And this one right here is the default one you get when you set up the WordPress website on 𝐷𝐿evel. And then you would have to click here, add a domain or subdomain. As you can see here, you can add up to 5 additional domains. After verifying, make sure to update the DNS configuration. You gotta enter your domain address here and click on generate CNAME and copy the key and value and enter onto your domain provider's DNS settings. Once you have done that, you will see your new domain here. To make it primary, just click these three dots and set as primary domain. Next, the interesting part is once you are connected to your domain to 𝐂𝐤𝐿evel, it's time to add WordPress. Most of you are already using a WordPress website somewhere. You might be thinking, how do I switch? It's gonna be hard, but don't worry. I am going to show you a hassle-free method to migrate your existing WordPress website to 𝐂𝐤𝐿evel. Import your existing website. So you can migrate your website within 10 to 15 minutes max. All you have to do is just go to this link you're seeing on the screen right now and download the plugin, and go to your WordPress website dashboard and navigate to plugins, add new, and click on upload the downloaded plugin. Once it's uploaded, click on activate. Then if you notice here, we have the option all-in-one WP migration. Hover on that and click on export option, and you have this advanced option here. You can decide to exclude a specific thing like plugins, themes, comments, posts, pages, etc. Then you can do that. Now click on export to and file option, and it will start the export immediately, and you can go ahead and download that. So make sure you download it as is and don't try to edit anything. Alright, so come back to your 𝐂𝐤𝐿evel and then drag and drop the file here to upload, and you will get your website hosted on the 𝐂𝐤𝐿evel platform. Now if we have to see the additional options under the WordPress menu, you have users, plugins, themes, backup, and advanced settings. So if I go to advanced settings, I can see FTP access coming soon and manage the caching. It makes your WordPress website load faster but may not be suitable for e-commerce. Why? Because those are dynamic websites. You keep updating new products, you keep changing the things, as it is an e-commerce based website. So it's recommended to go for cache static content. Communication settings coming soon. So you are going to be able to connect your WordPress to 𝐂𝐤𝐿evel, and 𝐂𝐤𝐿evel can send email, text messages, and even voice calling. This is really crazy feature, I would say. Then we have troubleshooter. If you are a beginner using WordPress and you have no idea what to do when you run into a problem with WordPress, then these features makes it a lot easier to fix the issue. You can take advantage of that. Delete WordPress. Deleting a WordPress site is a non-recoverable process. Once deleted, everything will be destroyed and you will not be able to recover your contents. Then we have users down here. You can add or delete users. Plugins, it says coming soon. So basically you'll be able to see all the installed plugins and update them or deactivate them. Even you can delete them. Just like that, we have themes. You can control your themes like update or delete if you want to. Alright, the coolest thing is this feature, backup. It automatically takes a backup of your website, and if you mess with your WordPress site, then you can go ahead and restore them from here. So that's that, guys. It's really simple and straightforward. 𝐂𝐤𝐿evel has really cool features coming soon. They are working so hard to bring many useful features to help take businesses more benefits under one platform. It's just really nice, isn't it? When you are able to see, manage, and take actions of all your business activity under a single platform like 𝐂𝐤𝐿evel, sounds great. Then go ahead and click on the very first link in the description box below and sign up for a 14-day free trial. Try it for yourself and let me know your experience in the comment section below. If you need any help, let me know. I can help you out. That's it, guys. I hope you have found this video interesting and useful. Please like and share your opinion in the comment section below, and also share it with your friends. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Peace out.